Okay, just here doing this raked tile roof, and we're just pumping the cellulose fibre into here, and I've got the hose right down in there, and you can see down the bottom there it's only half a bay, right? But we literally just pump insulation into these until we fill them up, and then I'll put the hose up that way and pump into it up that way. So that's how we do a rake section. And you hear the hopper's actually run out of material there because my offsider's just getting out to go down and fill it up. Right. You can see, oh, there's no material in it. That's what it looks like. Okay. And then and people think it blows everywhere, but you know, it's only pumping into your roof because it's under pressure. And look at how quickly that fills that bit up, right? 4 inches or 100 millimeters is all we're trying to get into the roof, right? And like this bit here is already 4 inches. You can't really see that with me putting my hose down in it, but it's already 4 inches there. So, and then I pump up into the roof that way, and like I said, it's just a bit of experience knowing how long to put it in, but at the same time we just kind of fill it up until the cavities full in this type of circumstance. Now here at the moment, any fluff that's excess is going to flow over the edge there, right? And so we're just not going to put too much in because it'll just be flowing over into the rest of the roof. But that there's full now. So that's done, and when we're finished we just blow all the roof off. And now, sorry, couldn't see the camera. So then this is the Anticon blanket that's all full of mice and rats and that, and I lift it up above the joist, right? So then I can cut down on top of that joist there, right? Which makes it easier to tape up, right? And then cut up there and down into there, right? And then we can fold that out of the way on both sides, and then we can get good access to pump up into there and down the bay on both sides. So yeah, and you can see there's, you know, that joist itself's about 8 inches high, right? And so if we fill this bay up, we've got 8 inches of material in here. So we're not trying to actually fill it up because if it's very full, it'd actually be about an R6, and we don't need it to be R6. So we're just trying to put 4 inches in there, right? But unfortunately, because we can't see very well in here while we're pumping, we tend to just end up putting between 6 and 8 inches in them, even though we tell customers that it's only going to be 4 inches. So anyway, that's I hope that helps somebody, and that's how we do a rake section. And you know, you'll notice all of the mice building nests through the fiberglass Anticon blanket, so that's why we don't recommend that. But the cellulose fibre, in 20 years I've never ever seen a mouse build a nest in it, so it's a far better product. Alright, like, comment, share, subscribe, all of those things. Thank you. Yeah, helps, much supported. I mean, much appreciated.